XRP just flipped Pepsi, BlackRock, and getting close to flipping McDonald's, as it is currently ranked the 91st largest asset in America. And remember, XRPL never goes down, unlike McDonald's ice cream machines. Anyways, let's go ahead and talk about everything that's happening with XRP today, and well, really Ripple's ecosystem, because they're making some moves. And I know the market's heading down a little bit. A lot of people are a little cranky, but at the end of the day, that solid foundation that Ripple is continuing to build, this is bullish for the future. And remember that we pumped from like 50 cents to $3, and we're still trading above $3. Anyways, I'm WendyO. I talk everything crypto every single day. Make sure to like this video, subscribe so you get more, and drop me a comment, because I do my best to read all the comments and respond to the nice ones, or at least ones that are not mean. Before we talk about XRP, flipping, BlackRock, all the different companies, let's go ahead and talk about Nature's Miracle and their XRP treasury. First, let's go ahead and talk about Nature's Miracle, because it looks like they're going to be adding XRP to their treasury. Vertical farming tech firm Nature's Miracle launched a 20 million XRP corporate treasury program and is one of the first public companies to adopt XRP as core reserves, their first funding round via recent equity financing, and they're going to use XRP for long-term reserves. They're going to be staking it for yield, and it also says that they are going to be utilizing Ripple for their ecosystem engagement. To me, that personally means that they are going to start exploring more of what Ripple has to offer, RLUSD, XRPL, etc. The details aren't clear yet, but I'm sure we'll be hearing more about it. Now, an article from Decrypt posted XRP now larger than PepsiCo, Uber, BlackRock, and is closing in on McDonald's. So of course I had to make the joke about the ice cream machine, no shade to McDonald's, but XRP is now officially the 91st largest asset globally. So I made a mistake in the beginning. It wasn't just in the US, it is globally, okay? Globally, XRP, with $204 billion market cap. It surpassed PepsiCo, Uber, BlackRock, and AT&T, and it only needs about a 5% gain in market cap to surpass McDonald's, Shell, and Amex, which I think that that's definitely going to happen. Right now, the market's in a little bit of a slump, but that's okay. Corrections are good. We're still trading above $3. And with all the XRP ETFs that are hopefully going to get approved soon, the spot ETFs, that should add more liquidity, plus the market excitement, etc. And the reason why I'm pretty confident about this is that CME Active Trader just posted that XRP futures hit their biggest trading day yet, just in time for the 2-month mark. Also, too, I'm going to have some of the XRP futures applicants on the show in August, I believe, so wait for that. But anyways, as far as the XRP futures 2-month recap, 108,000 contracts are traded, 3.1 billion notional volume, and 49.6 million XRP equivalent. And that's just going to continue to grow, especially once more and more futures and spot ETFs get approved. And last but not least, Ripple in Brazil. Vert launches blockchain-based platform for structured credit, recording BRL 700 million issuance on XRPL and EVM sidechain. So they launched this on the sidechain to manage private credit options in Brazil. The first transaction was agriculture certificate used on chain, which enables traceability, transparency, faster settlement in structured credit markets, and it utilizes XRPL's low-cost, efficient tokenization for asset issuance and tracking, and integrates EVM sidechain for automation and detailed reporting. They just basically want to reduce execution times, lower costs, etc. And we all know that Ripple already does that. But it's always interesting to see how much news is always coming out from Brazil regarding Ripple. Either way, this is all positive stuff for Ripple moving forward, and I cannot wait till they flip McDonald's, because the ice cream joke is just too funny for me. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I will catch you at 6 p.m. PT as I do the daily wrap up for the day. Bye-bye.